currently like 105 degrees. But we're gonna have a Summerween. I just pulled up to my friend's house, so we're gonna go in and set up a little, and then our other friends should be here soon. I'm excited. I'm excited to swim mostly and snack. So, join us.
I don't know.
If I flip it, is it like color guard? Oh yeah.
Oh god. Oh, look at this one. Should we get that freaking... Love him. Love them. I love this. Michael in the windows. Michael in the windows for $8. I love him. I like this one too. These are fun.
Yeah.
The clowns.
You see these musical bags? Rising woman in the force.
Hell yeah, that's us. They try to chain us down, but we say, no way. Gross.
But you're such a pain in the ass.
Yeah. This is like, I could not eat food off of this. I could absolutely not. No, I would be gagging.
Should we get few tattoos?
They're kind of fun though. But they're very disgusting.
Blow tattoos?
You need a hand? Do you need a hand? Look how cute these like birthday princess things are. The color scheme kind of match my nail actually. Princess party. These are so cute. If you have like a little girl in your life that's having a princess party. I love this. Look at all the Asha stuff. And the Little Mermaid. That's really cute. So we bought these pink flamingos because we had an idea of spraying them black for Summerween, which you saw in the beginning of the video. And at the end of the video, you'll see how we spray them. I've never seen something so cute besides my dog. Do I need it? Maybe. Hey there, pumpkin. I love that. Friends. Oh, mushrooms.
What do you think the back of this one says?
I love this one. Walls and walls and walls of pumpkins. I'm getting this. So many cute things. I love it. What? It's $19.99. It's sparkly.
That's not one.
How much money that is?
Color change. Purple to...
That is definitely red. You are so right. I thought these patches were so cute. Hobby Lobby has a great stock of patches for the parks, and I feel like you could put it on like a plain fanny pack or on a pair of ears or on jackets or something or shirts. They have so many cute options for so many cute Disney themed crafts. Okay, put the cups up here to dry. And then do the finishing touches on like the bottom and stuff. But I think they look so cool. I'm kind of obsessed. Let's just hope I can get the lids off. If not, I don't know. Oh, perfect. We'll test. And I'm gonna rinse these out, obviously. It's so cool. Okay. Sweet. I'm so excited. I love it. Look at them all in the box. All lined up.